What is the cloud? In a word, it's the internet. Basically, as data started moving to a more connected world, data moved off of your laptop and your thumb drives and started moving into shared data centers. So the cloud really is just a collection of all the computers and networks that are out there that are outside of your office. And what we've seen over the years is there's a lot of power in using the cloud. For example, you don't need that server in your office anymore. So we've seen a lot of examples where when it comes time to upgrade a server or maintain it, we're really just removing a server and moving people to platforms like Google Suite or Microsoft Office 365. Nowadays with the cloud, you have backups that are in the cloud, you have connectivity, you have things like Google Drive and SharePoint and all these things that bring people together. You have cloud applications as well. So Facebook and Gmail are not the old website that you used to think it was. It's no longer just this is a story about my business type of websites. Now you have full-blown applications that run in the cloud. So for example, QuickBooks has made a big migration. You may have noticed for your own business where it used to be QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Desktop on your computer, and now you no longer need to worry about installing the program. You really just log into a web browser, just like you do with Facebook and Gmail, and QuickBooks and your company data, secure more, actually more than ever, honestly, in the cloud, is all available there. The cloud takes care of a lot of the problems that you'd normally have by storing things locally or on-premise, as we call it, because when it's in your office, it's your problem. And there are some benefits to that. Occasionally, things like speed are better if they're local to you. But the cloud with faster internet nowadays really is bridging even that gap. So the other benefits are clear. You don't maintain the hardware. You're not paying for upgrades. You generally just pay a monthly fee, and it's all taken care of when it's in the cloud. Other people are dealing with code updates, and you'll notice less and less nowadays. You're looking on the side of a box to see if you have enough megahertz and gigabytes, where 15 years ago you really were, because things weren't in the cloud. They were really sort of dependent on your hardware. So now moving into the cloud, you see less and less of that. If you have a web browser, you have simple devices like your smartphone and your Chromebook. Those are cloud-connected devices, and you have access and power to everything. Your Google shared files and your OneDrive uploads, and you'll really see a lot of benefit as you move your company to the cloud and start virtualizing servers and all of the other things that come as benefits that are collateral to the cloud. So when you have questions, give us a call. We've done many migrations, and you'll see a ton of benefit by looking at the cloud as a viable option for you.